we are sunky people. I don't like normal is boring for me. So if somebody is normal, I really don't enjoy them so much. तू normal तो नहीं हो ना? ये मम्मियाँ जो होती हैं ना बेटा इन लोगों की शादी कब होगी?
फैंस मुझे बहुत डांटने वाले हैं, ठीक है?
बच्चे कब होंगे?
नहीं ये सब नहीं पूछोगे, नो नो।
कहाँ भेजोगे?
As an actor, you always look for that one little, even if it's a 5-minute thing, the liberating factor for me as an actor where I get to perform.
तुम्हारा 5 मिनट का रोल है?
नहीं बाकी तो नहीं I was about to say हीरो ने काटा लेकिन काटा।
वो भी नेपोटिज्म चल रहा है पूरा कलकत्ता से हम आगे नहीं। This is Rukmini Mehta and I'm Vidyut Jambal.
And you're watching us on E-Times, and you can also watch us on Disney Plus Hotstar on the 15th of October.
समझ जाएगी।
Hello guys, welcome to E-Times. How are you doing?
Thank you.
I'm doing very well.
Firstly, I would like to congratulate for the trailer of Sanak. It's doing great on social media. What is the kind of response you have been getting from your fans on social media and from your family and friends?
मुझसे तो सब इनका नंबर मांग रहे हैं।
Oh.
तो मैं इनको बोल रहा हूँ मुझे अपना नंबर दो ताकि मैं अपने सोशल मीडिया पे डालूँ। ये सबसे नंबर वन।
And Rukmini, what about you?
It's been a brilliant response. I think the minute the trailer went live, we've got a lot of views, which is something everybody looks up to. कितने views हैं? But yeah, it's been wonderful. Everyone's a lot of appreciation, a lot of adulation for the two of us. That's also there. And yeah, it's been a good one, and I hope we get an even better response when the movie releases on the 15th of October on Disney Plus Hotstar.
So just now you spoke about getting X number of views on your trailer. How much does it, like how important it is for you to get views and all of that?
Look, from what I believe, I mean, people do see it, especially your producers do look into it. But at the end of the day, this is my personal belief that a view can never decide the fate of your film.
Exactly.
Every Friday decides a different fate for you to begin with. So it never really decides it, but ठीक है यार, it's one of those little highs. You work so hard, you want अच्छा ठीक है इतने लोग देखे.
Right.
So it's reached that kind of number. People have seen it. And so it's not just one. So one view. A single view is never one person. It's
Right.
like almost a family, or at least 2 people, 3 people. So it feels good, but no, it doesn't decide the fate of a film. Your work, your honesty, I think that is what is going to decide.
For you, Vidyu, how much does views matter?
Yeah, I'm not very sure about the views and the numbers, but I can assure you कि मैं यार बहुत प्रभावित हूँ YouTube. ये जितने नए YouTubers हैं, I want to just tell you if you're watching it that I would love you to review the Sanak film on the 15th of October because आप जो बेस्ट रिव्यू करेंगे, चाहे आपके 200 फॉलोअर हैं, चाहे आपके 50 फॉलोअर हैं, if you're a good reviewer, I promise you, let me think of something, I will make sure I will promote your channel. और ये मैं बिना सोचे आपके चैनल पे बोल रहा हूँ. If you're a YouTuber, you review the movie, good, bad, be honest, be critical, analyze everything, watch it, you put it on, and I will watch you, and I promise you I'll promote your channel.
So guys, open invitation है from Vidyut himself. So go for it, for sure.
नहीं बहुत मेहनत करते हैं यार. ये सोशल मीडिया में देख रहा हूँ रिव्यूज़ के, मैंने ट्रेलर के रिव्यूअर्स को देखा है, बहुत मेहनत करते हैं लोग.
Right.
I would love to acknowledge you. Well done, well done.
That's great. Vidyut, जब भी आपकी फिल्म आती है, like the constant comment what I read on the trailers or on your post is that कोई भी एक्शन सीन कॉपीड नहीं लगता फ्रॉम एनीवेयर. इट्स ओरिजिनल, इट्स 100% ओरिजिनल. बट लाइक देयर आर सम celebs who directly copy action scenes from some Hollywood films. So how do you take that compliment when fans tell you that अरे वाह action scene तो काफ़ी original है, this is something new, this is something fresh? How do you take that?
Look, before that, I want to just tell you that a lot of actors, जैसे आपने mention किया, they just pick it up and do it. बहुत मुश्किल होता है pick up करना. आप जैकी चैन का स्टंट पिक करिए और उसको रेप्लिकेट करिए, आपको समझ आएगी कि कितनी क्षमता चाहिए वो करने के लिए.
Right.
So we have to respect everybody who performs those stunts. Whoever that actor is, amazing. I feel very proud that I do my own thing, I enjoy it, and I love doing it. So it's quite cool.
You are the new age action hero of Bollywood.
मैं जब से बॉम्बे आया मुझे लोग यही बोलते हैं.
But अच्छी बात
Yeah,
है,
I'm
like
happy
not bad.
I'm happy. Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
that's really amazing. Rukmini, talking about your Bollywood debut, what really made you say yes for this film? Like ऐसा क्या था इसमें जो आपको लगा yes, this is the Bollywood debut I want? ऐसा क्या था इसमें?
Of course, मैं हमेशा back home I used to say that if they offer me a film in any other language, I would readily take it up. So of course Hindi. Then of course when it's a Vipul Shah production,
Right.
it's Vidyut Jamwal, it's the film as a whole, content-wise, it's a very intriguing one. And at the end of the day, content is king. That is something which goes without denial.
Right.
And then of course as an actor, you always look for that one little even if it's a 5-minute thing, the liberating factor for me as an actor where I get to perform.
तुम्हारा 5 मिनट का रोल है?
नहीं बाकी तो नहीं I was about to say हीरो ने काटा लेकिन
क्या बोल रही है?
हीरो को भी नहीं काटेगा,
नहीं,
वो
ये
एकदम
hero
गिविंग
है।
एक्टर
सुनो
है।
क्या बोल रहे हो? सुनो क्या बोल रहे हो?
No, he's tremendously kind. That I cannot
नहीं,
deny.
5 मिनट का रोल कहाँ है
नहीं
तुम्हारा?
5 मिनट का रोल नहीं, मैं बोल रही थी
10 मिनट के तो गाने किए हमने, 5 मिनट का रोल है इसका यार।
नहीं but jokes apart, it's just that you have that one part, this is something I always see in a script, that there has to be that one moment which is very liberating for me as an actor, where I can perform,
Right.
where I feel liberated. So I somehow got that scene and I was like, no, yeah, as a package, everything together, and it's a brilliant project. I mean, who wouldn't want to be a part of it? And when it came my way, it literally kind of dropped into my lap. I was like, chalo.
Grab it, let's grab it.
It's amazing. We were looking for somebody because it's a very emotional relationship between the
Yes.
husband and a wife.
Right.
We wanted somebody who could genuinely express those emotions. Because in the movie she goes through an illness and a lot of other tortures in life. And I was watching her. It's not easy to be that person that she has portrayed, and you have to be a great actor to do that. Really,
Thank
Have you watched any of her films?
all of it.
Oh,
अच्छा इनकी कितनी फिल्में यार मैंने इनका काम पहले तो मेरे एक दोस्त हैं बहुत अजीज who's one of the top photographers in the country and उन्होंने इनकी बहुत तारीफ की थी that she's amazing. Every
Okay.
time we used to say कि अरे कोई do you know any girl because he's a good photographer who's beautiful. He used to always mention her. So then I watched a lot of her work. I watched a lot of her songs and I think she's incredible. We just got lucky with her. We're so happy to have you on the project. Really.
Thank
बट
you.
आपके लिए एक न्यू फेस हमेशा से लकी चार्म ही रहा है. लास्ट टाइम इन खुदा हाफिज
Yes.
there was a new phase and again you have a new phase. So yeah.
Look, God's been very kind. Yeah. When I was new, a lot of people worked with me, and I would love to do it. Why not? If I see talent, why not work with me?
Yeah, that's it. And set की अगर हम बात करें, how was it working with each other? And movie में चंदन है, नेहा है. How was it working with all
The
of them?
funniest thing for me was that I had Chandan. The other thing is that one of the songs from the film is by Jeet Ganguly, who's very dear to me, of
Yeah.
course. He's done my first debut film as well. He's given me my biggest songs as well, Touchwood. Then there's Vidyut, who's been in Kolkata for 7 years. He's read.
इनका स्टाइलिस्ट है देव, वो भी
My
बंगाली है।
stylist, he's there. He's Bengali. My hairstylist was Bengali. The van में boys अरे दीदी हमें अपना काज देखे हमने आपका काम देखा है हमें शॉप जानी आपकी के and all that. That was
नेपोटिज्म
there.
चल रहा है पूरा कलकत्ता का यहाँ पे। हर कलकत्ता से
And
आने
then,
वाले हैं ये लोग।
yeah, and it's Kanishk has been in my art director Kanishk. He has read in Bengal. So it was like a full Bangla set. फिर मैं बैठ के बोली एक दिन विद्युत को, विद्युत मुझे ना कुछ गड़बड़ लग रहा है ऐसे क्या मुझे नहीं लग रहा कि मेरा बॉलीवुड लॉन्च है ना, मुझे लग रहा है आपका बंगाली में लॉन्च हो रहा है. मैं it's हम लोग बांग्ला फिल्म हिंदी में डब करके दिखा रहे हैं सर. So
रोज हम लोग झालमुड़ी खाते थे, रोज सुबह शाम दोपहर, 3 टाइम।
शूट कहाँ पे हुआ है exactly? What are the locations? Mumbai or somewhere else?
So we've shot it in a hospital, and it's a hospital setup. So it's mostly indoors, but we've shot the songs outdoors.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it's about an attack on a hospital, so it's all inside.
we used to have a lot of Bengali food coming on set, like Ashin Vipul sir used to
बहुत खाती है,
organize.
पता नहीं लगता बहुत खाती है। इतनी बड़ी प्लेट में मछली, इतनी सी और इतने सारे चावल।
वाह, दिख नहीं रहा है कहीं से भी.
Right. I know. You have to have the eye for it. Right?
Okay, so if I have to ask you, what has been the Sanak moment in your life? Like movie में हमने देखा you are fighting for your loved one, like to save her, and there's a tagline, he is mad, नहीं क्या? He is bad when he is mad. तो ऐसा कुछ रियल लाइफ में हुआ है? ऐसा कुछ संकी सा कुछ किया है आप लोग ने किसी चीज़
तुमने
के
तो
लिए?
बहुत किया होगा।
What is this impression I've got for
that
myself?
Calcutta girls are like crazy and all that. You said it to me.
Calcutta girls are not crazy, but of course they're adventurous. They're very driven. So that's no. But my Sanak moment, if somebody asks me, would be the decision to act in films. Because
Okay.
I've always said no to doing films. I've always said I'm not cut out for this profession because I feel I have tremendous respect for actors. Even before setting foot into this industry, I feel they are superhumans. Come what may, physically, emotionally, mentally. how one has to handle themselves, and they're not allowed a bad day.
Right.
They are really not allowed a bad day, which everybody else is.
That's true.
And I think I've shot with like everyone actually. I'm running a temperature of 104. I'm giving a shot. I'm going. I'm puking into a balti next to me, and so I'm still doing a dancing sequence because an entire team from Bombay has come down to Kolkata to shoot a song. Things happen, but actors are superhuman. So I have resisted it for the longest time, to be precise 10 years, and then I was literally forced into it. But when it happened, I think I felt that whatever I built for myself, I'm leaving it all behind, and I'm like, मेरी तो सनक चुकी है, मैं ये क्यों कर रही हूँ? लेकिन अब जब सनक चुकी है, तो let's do it with total conviction. And then here I am today, and this is where destiny takes it. So that one sanak makes it all happen for you.
That's
And I
true.
think we must all own it.
I'm sure you are enjoying this life.
I'm loving it.
Yeah.
सुपर ह्यूमन बन गई है, पहले बनना नहीं चाहती थी, अब सुपर ह्यूमन बन गई है।
Yes, so we need to be in the next Avengers series.
विद्युत आपके लिए सनक मोमेंट कौन सा था?
बहुत सारे हैं यार। सनक इज क्वाइट पॉजिटिव कॉनोटेशन इन माय हेड। जब मैं इस शहर में आया था तो हर आदमी बोलता था कि ऐसा नहीं हो सकता है, वैसा नहीं हो सकता है। उन सबको ना सुनना भी बहुत सनकीपन है। एक जुनून जहाँ पे आप सब कुछ छोड़ के वही सोचते हैं और वही करना चाहते हैं जो आप करना चाहते हैं, वो भी सनक है। आई थिंक देयर आर सो मेनी सनक, वी आर सनकी पीपल। आई डोंट लाइक, नॉर्मल इज बोरिंग फॉर मी। So if somebody is normal, I really don't enjoy them so much. तू normal तो नहीं हो ना?
बिल्कुल नहीं।
मुझे पता है। ये तो नहीं है।
I was just about to ask him, what is the impression that I have got for myself, normal or not so normal?
Not so normal.
Not so normal.
Yeah. Okay.
बताओ, लड़की सुंदर है, लंबी है, अच्छी बॉडी है, मगर मुझे हीरोइन नहीं बनना है। Why nobody knows? क्योंकि वो सुपर ह्यूमन होते हैं। So that's quite sunky.
Yeah. True.
Moving on.
Yes. So release की अगर हम बात करें, the movie is coming up on an OTT platform. But did you guys not think about coming in theaters since movie release हो रही है 15th को and theaters are reopening from 22nd of October? तो कभी सोचा कि मूवी हम डायरेक्ट थिएटर में ही लेके जाएंगे, बिकॉज इट्स अ थिएटर मूवी, लाइक एकदम मसालेदार, एक्शन पैक्ड, अब टिपिकल विद्युत जामवाल फिल्म. सो लाइक ये कभी ख्याल नहीं आया?
So during खुदा हाफिज हमने जब फिल्म बनाई थी, we had made it for the theaters,
Right.
and that was the first time everybody experienced the theater shutting down, and we decided to be the first ones to release it, and we got lucky. With Sanak, we were very sure that we will release it in the theaters. We shot it for the theaters, and then what happened was, then the pandemic again happened, and the second wave happened, and when you've got a movie ready for release, either you're very arrogant about not releasing it.
Right.
We didn't want to be arrogant. We just thought that it's a great platform, Disney Plus, Hotstar. Why not release it there? Because we've had a success there before. And उससे भी ज़रूरी बात मेरे दिमाग में ये थी कि यार मैं जब बचपन में जैकी चैन की फिल्में देखता था, VHS पे देखता था और स्टॉप करता था, पॉज करता था, रिवाइंड करता था और सब चीज़ें देख के समझता था.
Right.
I think this is a great opportunity for people to just do exactly what it is, enjoy it, be a critique. It's quite cool.
I think a lot of big action movies have come on OTT.
Right.
We've all seen
And
it.
this is the biggest that's coming out.
Of course, this is. So of course
It
you
will
have to
be.
keep the best for the last. But I think of course it reaches a bigger audience. At this point of time, we are all a tad apprehensive about the fact that how it's going to lay out for us once theaters open. Though it's open back in Calcutta, but I was just mentioning in my previous interview that my grandfather is actually a huge fan of Vidyut. He's
Okay.
probably under the impression that a lot of youngsters are, but maybe he needs to know this.
Your grandfather is a young man at heart. and
He
his
works out
mind.
every day.
Yeah,
He works
same
out every day.
about
Yeah. He's got that whole V body. He works out from my grandmother every
ये
morning.
वाले grandfather से हमें भी मिलाओ यार.
Yeah, very good looking man. Very good looking. That is also there. But yeah, he works out every morning. And I was just narrating one of Vidyut's scenes where he gets into the car through the window. He's narrated that to me. So when I said I'm doing Sanak, he was like, this who's it with? And he was like, he was really excited. So I think today, if I know that the theaters have opened, I can only allow myself, my brother, probably my mother, my niece, but I'll be a tad skeptical about taking my granddad. But I want my granddad, I want Dadu to watch a Vidyut Jammwal film. I
Right.
want my Dadu to watch us together. So it's okay now. We are bringing us home. So you don't have to take us home.
तुम्हारा
I'm
भाई
coming
भी
to you.
फिल्मों में घुसेगा.
फिल्मों में घुसेगा
Well,
मतलब?
Did your brother also want to be an actor or a director?
No, isn't realistic. No,
You've not inspired him.
no. He laughs at me saying that तुम और heroine, ha 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 ha. So that's a
prove
different
him
story.
wrong
My
now.
family keeps me tremendously grounded. You cannot imagine. So let it be.
Okay.
Yeah.
Since we're talking about OTT, Vidyut and Rukmini, would you like to explore OTT world? Like offers अगर आ रहे तो होंगे. I'm sure your multiple movies have come on OTT. So is there anything explore करना चाहोगे या कर रहे हो? क्या
So
है?
I've started producing under the banner of Action Hero Films,
Yeah.
and I'm looking for great content for OTT. I've finalized a few that don't involve me, but they're women centric, and I'm very excited about it.
Wow.
Okay, Rukmini, you
That's
have a
good.
chance here.
I anyway have a chance here.
Rukmini doesn't have a chance. Rukmini is the chance, only chance.
Oh, okay. And इसी से मुझे याद आया कि you have signed with an Hollywood talent agency. What is happening on that front?
So we keep reading, getting a lot of great ideas, and because people know me across the world for action, I want to do something which has not been done before. So I will only do something which really excites me, and where I know I will be able to represent India very well. The world is watching, and I have to do the best of it.
You're still reading scripts.
नहीं वो reading script नहीं होता है. Like there are great ideas that come to you.
Okay.
Because I'm a producer, I'm trying to collaborate with people I have been wanting to work with.
Okay.
So yeah.
And before I end this Q&A segment, ये question तो पूछे बिना हो ही
बहुत
नहीं
जरूरी है, जो भी
सकता.
सवाल है बहुत जरूरी है.
He is already aware about it. Okay. So Vidyut, you recently surprised every one of us by announcing your engagement with Nandita. How did that happen? ये journey कब शुरू हुई? How was the proposal planned? Everything I need to know all the deets.
फोन नंबर है ना तुम्हारे पास मेरा मैं तुम्हें सारी detail
थोड़ा बता
बताऊंगा,
दो, आपके
but अपने-
fans के लिए बता
उनको तो
दो।
पता है, तुमको सब पता है. So apart from when it started, how it started, that will take a long time, but I want to just tell you because I come from an army background and I'm very proud of where I come from. I wanted her to experience something that she had not, and one of those things was we meet a lot of men, and I talk about self-defense. I believe that a man has to truly be a gentleman, and I wanted her to experience it. I made her rappel down a 150-foot high wall in an army camp, and when we were rappelling down, midway I asked her, "You see these men? Are you uncomfortable with them being around?" She said, "No, 300 men." वो वाला जो एक्सपीरियंस होता है ना, वो हर लड़की को लेना ज़रूरी है कि हर आदमी वैसा नहीं है.
Right.
Some people are trained to be amazing men too. I took her to the officers' mess. They were amazing men. She had to experience कि जब एक senior officer होता है और उसकी बीवी होती है और senior officer border पे होता है तो सब लोग उसको माँ की तरह इज्जत करते हैं. If somebody's sister is there, you will respect them. If there's somebody's sibling, you will respect them. I wanted her to experience it, and what better to do it for a woman you really want to be with? Do it in the right way. Do
Right.
it in the place where you've been raised.
When are you sealing the deal?
ये मम्मियाँ जो होती है ना, बेटा इंगेजमेंट की शादी कब होगी? तुम्हारी उम्र के लिए सवाल गलत है, नहीं तो मैं तुम्हें
अरे
जवाब दूंगा.
यार, ठीक है, तुम्हारे फैंस मुझे बहुत
अगली
डांटने
बार
वाले हैं.
पूछेगी
ठीक है.
बच्चे कब होंगे?
नहीं नहीं, ये सब नहीं पूछूंगी. नो नो.
कहाँ भेजोगे?
That is
फिर
very
हमारे लोग
typical.
बोलते हैं कि इंडियन पेरेंट्स आर सो टिपिकल. Like you said, it's
No, no,
typical.
no, no, no. I am not typical.
No,
but
you're-
ठीक है. Only if you're comfortable. तो
नहीं, कंफर्ट का प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं
To
है
get
लड़की.
married.
when is he
So,
sealing the deal with
I didn't
Nandita?
plan the engagement like 1 month in advance. I just planned it impulsively, and
Okay.
that's how marriage should be done. Yeah, it has to be done in a very, not the way people do it.
फिलहाल सनक में आप विद्युत को शादीशुदा देख लीजिए बस.
yes.
और उसकी शादी के लिए सड़क देखो तुम.
Okay. So before we hop on to the rapid fire round, tell me what are your next upcoming projects? When can we see you next?
I can't tell you.
Why?
It's personal.
Are we?
Yeah.
Please, please, बोलिए.
आपका क्या नेक्स्ट?
I think-
सनक 2 कर रही है, ये तो मुझे पक्का है इनका.
अरे
ये मुझे नहीं मालूम था, ये इनको
We are
मालूम।
announcing the sequel here.
First time, you know at
Or
least.
this at least yeah.
If she likes the script.
Okay. So,
No, but yeah, I've just finished another film
Or
in
Kishmish.
Bangalore called Kishmish.
yeah, I saw that.
So yeah, so I've just finished that. I'm very excited with that film. He's actually heard a lot of songs from the film, which he
I love
liked.
them, I love them.
Yeah, he's really liked the music.
No,
of the
she's
film.
worked with some greats in Calcutta. I really enjoy it. Like the directors, the music. I really enjoy the things that she chooses. It's quite cool.
Yeah, so I keep saying that that's my place where I feel very satisfied. Something about it.
It's called
very
comfort
wholesome.
zone.
No, it's not exactly comfort zone, but yeah, it's just a wholesome feeling, the experience. But yeah, so that is one, and then there are a couple of others in the pipeline. So I'm going to go back and get back to the script.
That too
reading.
is called the comfort zone.
Okay, I am also listening to a couple of scripts here. We'll get to
Okay.
that later.
Vidyut, for you, what is next? Khuda Hafiz 2.
अच्छा वो
Nice.
बड़े प्रोजेक्ट की बात करेंगे यार. So I'm ready with Khuda Hafiz 2. We finished about 80% of it.
Okay.
And producing under my banner a few films.
Thank you so much for
Thank
this
you,
amazing
thank you.
conversation. It was a pleasure having you on E-Times. And all the very best for Sanak.
Thank you so much. Please watch our film
अभी भी time
Sanak.
हो कि नहीं? हाँ हो
Yes.
गया.
Do this.
बहुत जरूरी है.
Please watch our film Sanak.
On the 15th of October on Disney Plus Hotstar.
Thank you.